What is up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, you and I are going to be drawing the cameraman from Skibidi Toilet. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page and draw a horizontal line going across the top of the head. So we start on the left side, draw a straight line going all the way across to right about there. Now from the left side, we're going to draw the front edge of the hood. So we're going to draw a straight line coming down. Let's bend this in and then come straight down towards the bottom of the hood. Now over on the right side, we're going to give the back of the head a slight angle, coming down and then out. Let's close off the bottom with a straight angle line, going all the way towards the back. Now I want to draw a square tucked in behind the hood. From the top left corner, let's step down. We're just going to angle this down towards the left to right about there. Come straight down towards the bottom of our square. Now from here, we're going to come straight in. And I'll pull that straight up underneath the hood. Now from this bottom corner of the square, we're going to draw a straight angle line going all the way towards the back. We'll stop right about there. We're going to round at the corner and then pull that straight up. Let's trace the front of the square along the inside. Now on the right side, we're going to draw an oval for the camera lens. Start from the top, come all the way down, go up on the right side and back up toward the top. Let's trace that along the inside. Now I'm going to fill that inside area in black, going around that lens. Now I want to wrap that hood around the top of the camera. So I'm going to start up here, angle this down, and then out. Let's bring this down with a straight line, and then we'll bend that in, and then down, and then angle this up and behind the square. Now I want to trace these lines along the inside. So I'll start along the top, just leaving a thin gap on the outside. Just blend that down towards the bottom. And we'll fill the inside in black. Now add a rectangle shape along the back of the camera. Start with a straight angle line coming down, go across the top, and then the bottom, and then close off the inside. Now I'm going to draw the base of the camera, starting in the center of this line. Draw a short line coming down, go straight across to right about there, and then pull that up. From the bottom corner, I'm just going to follow that same angle line going towards the back to right about there, and I'll pull that straight up. Let's add the hinge around the center of the neck. We're going to start up here, draw a straight line coming down. Now I'm going to move back and draw that same length line. Let's bend this in and down toward the bottom, and then we'll round out the bottom. Now along the center, let's draw a small oval for the bolt. Let's add a thick edge on the left side. So we're going to step out, draw a straight line coming down, come in and down, and just blend in towards the bottom of that curve. Let's layer the neck in behind. Starting from the top, I'm just going to bend this out and down. And then we'll come straight down the left side. Now from the ends, bend this down and in towards the center of the collar. Go up on the right. Now you can draw the same hinge in behind the neck. You're going to start up here, draw a straight line coming down. Bend this in and then down towards the same height. Bend that in towards the neck. Now you want to add that same thick edge. Coming down, go across, and then tuck that in. Now from here, we're going to draw the inside edge of the coat. Let's start underneath the hinges. We're going to add a curve going out, bring that all the way down toward the bottom of the coat on the left. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Going out, and then come down towards the same height. Let's add the coat collar. Starting from the top, and goes down and out. Pull that down and in towards the inside of the coat. Let's go back down and out on the bottom of the collar. I just want to bend this down and then in towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top of the center, draw the collar, coming down and out with a straight angled line, and tuck the collar up underneath the coat. Now from in between the collar, we draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the vest to right about here. I'm just going to separate this, going out toward the left and right, and tuck this up and out underneath. Let's move up and draw the top of the vest, bring this out and up. And then from the bottom, we're just going to bend the coat, going out and then up towards the side. Let's work our way up towards the top of the body. We're going to go straight up, and we'll just bend that in towards the top. Now you want to go back and work our way down towards the bottom of the feet. In the center, let's add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, bend the foot coming down and up towards the outside. And then we'll go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. We want to bend this up, curl this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. From the bottom corners of the coat, let's step in, curl the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Now we're going to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. Let's take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now I'm going to move up along the side of the body and draw the inside edge of the arms. Let's start on the left, bend this out and then down towards the wrist. Let's line that up on the right side. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle coming in and out for the thumb. Close off the end with a small bracket. Now you want to wrap 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down and bend that up around that bracket. Step down towards the side, go out, and then up with the second finger. Now with the third finger, we're just going to go out, bend the arm coming up and in towards the shoulder to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Drawing that first finger, second, and then the third. We're just going to bring this up and then in, just line this up with the left side. Now we're going to bend the shoulder coming up and in towards the top of the collar. Go up and in. And we'll add a seam across the sleeve. Start from the top, bend this down, and then in towards the side of the body. Now from the top of the thumb, we're going to add the sleeve. Bend this out, and then up. Let's step up and draw that again. And then do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our drawing of the cameraman from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to draw more characters like this, then check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.